दोस्तों, इस वीडियो में मैं आपको PSY 101 की असाइनमेंट नंबर 1 का सॉल्यूशन कराऊंगा। और अगर आपको किसी भी हवाले से कोई भी कंफ्यूजन हो तो आप मेरे से डायरेक्ट इंस्टाग्राम में पूछ सकते हैं। इंस्टाग्राम का लिंक मैंने वीडियो की डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया हुआ है, और अगर आपको इसकी फाइल चाहिए हो तो वो भी आप मेरे से मांग सकते हैं। तो आइए वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। जैसा कि आप अपनी स्क्रीन में देख सकते हैं कि PSY 101 की असाइनमेंट नंबर 1 का क्वेश्चन है। ये आपको आपकी असाइनमेंट में क्वेश्चन शो हो रहा होगा। तो यहाँ सिनेरियो है, साकिब स्मोक्स अ फुल पैक ऑफ cigarettes every day. Smoking a cigarette is the first thing which he does after waking up in the morning. His wife has confronted him several times and asked him to leave this addiction. However, Saqib believes that he has not yet developed an addiction. तो इसका आइडेंटिफिकेशन में आगे आंसर है डिनाइल। आगे जस्टिफिकेशन में इसका मेंशन किया हुआ है, साकिब इज अडॉप्टिंग डिनाइल mechanism in his behavior because in it a person refuses to acknowledge and accept anxiety provoking thoughts. Actually, he was a chain smoker but refuses to respect it and saying he is occasional smoker. आगे है एक और फिक्रा इन्होंने मेंशन किया हुआ है। आमिर was beaten by his mother every day when he was a small child. However, Amir, when he grew up, reported having no memory of being beaten by his mother at all. तो इसका आगे है repression and आगे Amir adopted repression in his behavior as it is when a person wants to forget the unpleasant memories of his past. As Amir was beaten by his mother but he wanted to forget it. अगला पैरा है, उस्मान Usman appeared for a test for selection in armed forces. He failed the test and was not selected. After failing the test, he tried to start a business and said that he was not interested in joining the army anyways and wanted to become an entrepreneur in the first place. आगे इन्होंने मेंशन किया हुआ है इसका rationalization. Usman adopted rationalization in his behavior as in it person will not blames himself. He will put cover on his defaults. As Usman failed in his choice and he said that he did not like that field. आगे अगला पैरा है, Urva was driving the car on the road. She was caught by a traffic warden. She was catched by a she was caught by a traffic warden on a signal and was served a challan for 300 rupees. She was angry at the warden but did not say anything. However, later on when she reached home, she yelled at her son. आगे है displacement. Otherwise, adopting displacement in which the expression of unwanted desires are redirected rather than the actual target, as she yelled at her son without his mistake. अगला पैरा पढ़ते हैं. अगले पैरे में है Suman made a mistake which made her father angry and he yelled at her. Suman felt bad, went to her room and lied down on her bed and started sucking her thumb. इसका है regression. Suman adopts regression in her behavior in which a person is reverted into that stage which was satisfying for him. Satisfying for him. तो दोस्तों ये थी आज की वीडियो PSY101 की असाइनमेंट नंबर 1 की वीडियो. उम्मीद होगी कि आपको ये वीडियो बहुत ही अच्छी लगी होगी. अल्लाह हाफिज़.